In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix Google account is not yet associated with a device. So to fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device issue, you'll have to follow this step. Now there are certain options that will fix the issue. That is, now first of all, you can try restarting your device. So to restart your device, you will have to hold on to your side button for at least 2 to 3 seconds. When you do that, you'll have to hold on to your side button for 2 to 3 seconds, and when you do that, you'll be able to see this option as a restart power off. You just have to toggle the button and restart your device. When you do that, it should be able to fix your issue. However, if that's not the case, then you can also try login out of your Google account. So for that case, go ahead and tap on the settings or open up your settings application, and here you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go to accounts. As you do that, you need to go ahead and select the particular account which you are having issue with, and just go ahead and click on remove account and then log in back to your account. That should be able to fix your issue. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and fix your internet issues on your device. You could go to the settings, and here you could go ahead and locate network and internet and check whether you have a stable internet or not. And likewise, if you're still having issues, then what else you can do is you could go ahead and check so for that case, go ahead and tap on or long press on your Play Store. And when you do that, you could go ahead and tap on the app info page, and right on this page you need to go to storage and cache and go ahead and click on clear cache as well as storage. When you do that, it should be able to fix your issue. However, if that's not the case, then you can also go ahead and change your date and time. In some cases, changing your date and time can be able to fix your issue all at once. So go to settings. So here you need to go to system, and then you need to go to date and time. Make sure that you've toggled the button for use network provided time. When you do this, you should be able to fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.